अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब। तो MS वर्ल्ड MCQs के हवाले से आज हमारा लेक्चर है जो कि बहुत ही अहम MCQs हैं पेपर्स के हवाले से। PPSC CSS NTS वगैरह जो जितने भी पाकिस्तान में टेस्ट वगैरह हो रहे हैं या होते हैं उनके हवाले से और पास्ट पेपर से सिलेक्टेड हमने लिए हैं। तो ये बहुत ही अहम MCQs है जो हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। To insult world to stop bulleting paragraph. Do any of the following expect? The correct answer is B. Clicking the endo button on the standard toolbar. Which of the following toolbar allows you changing a font and their size? The correct answer is B. Formatting. To view header and footer, you must switch to. The correct answer is D. Both B and C. Print layout view and print preview mode. Control plus C. The shortcut key is used. Copy the selected text. Control plus Q. The correct answer is D. Does nothing. Background color or effect applied on the documents is not visible in. The correct answer is D. Print preview. Control plus R. The correct answer is D. Right align the select paragraph. When the world flags a possible spelling or grammar error, it also changes the mark on the spelling and grammar status icon to. The correct answer is C. Red X. Which of the following is not a font style? The correct answer is D. Superscript. The other column are inactive when you have select 3 columns. How will you active those boxes? Correct answer is D. Remove mark from equal column width check. How can you remove tab stop markers from ruler? The correct answer is D. All of above. Double click the tab marker and choose clear all. Drag the tab stop marker out of the ruler. Right click the tab stop marker and choose remove. From where you can access save command? The correct answer is D. None of above. How can you remove tab stop marker from ruler? The correct answer is D. All of above. Double click the tab marker and choose clear all. Drag the tab stop marker out of the ruler. Right click the tab stop marker and choose remove. Control plus M. The correct answer is B. Close documents. Which of the following is not available on the ruler of MS Word screen? The correct answer is D. Center indent. In Word, the default alignment for paragraph is. The correct answer is D. Justified or flush margin at both the left and right edges. In MS Word, Control plus S is for. The correct answer is A. Scenarios. Control plus W. The correct answer is C. Save and close documents. The key F12 open A. The correct answer is A. Save as dialog box. Control plus I. The correct answer is A. Italic. Control plus S. The correct answer is B. Save documents with same name. If you will be displayed or print your documents on an other computer, you will want to make sure and select the slash option under the Save tab. The correct answer is B. Embedded true type fonts. Control plus J. The correct answer is A. Align justify. What is a portion of documents in which you set certain page formatting option? The correct answer is C. Section. If you need to double underline a word, how will you do that? The correct answer is C. Select the text, then choose Format, Font and Font tab, open Underline Style and choose double underline. How can you apply exactly the same formatting you did to another text? The correct answer is C. Select the text, then click on Format Pointer and select the new text. Which of the following is not one of three mail merge helper steps? The correct answer is C. Set the mailing list parameters.